Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way.
Kasi kaya Daniel Scott, yung Daniel kasi is second name ko. Bricks Daniel kasi yung name ko. Then, kinuha ng mami niya yung Daniel. Then yung Scott, di namin sure bakit nga yung Scott yung nakakuha namin name. Basta napag-usapan na lang namin na Daniel Scott yung tawag namin para medyo foreigner yung dating, ganyan.
All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours.
Iba yung sweetness niya. Kasi bigla siyang mangyayakap, ikikis ka niya. Tapos yung dadantay lang siya sa'yo ng ganun. Kasi si daddy niya parang pinaka-favorite. So,
Hindi naman.
siya yung parang laging inaano niya ni baby na kapag may nakita siyang may malaking mata, sabi niya, "Ah! Ah!" Gaganon yan. Tuturo niya sino yung kamukha ni daddy niya.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go.
Napaka-smart niya at yung madali siyang matuto.
Happy birthday, Chiambam. Like Wawa always say, Faber es suay escape fortunae. You are the artisan of your future.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Birthday! We love you!
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go.
Happy first birthday, Scott!
Happy first birthday, Scott! We love you!
Let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Let's all welcome the birthday celebrant, Daniel Scott.
I'm a million miles away, getting my head clear on a wonder with my mind on nothing.
You filled our life so much happiness this year, and we love watching you smile. You are loved more than words can say. I love you, Apo Denden.
Horses couldn't drag me out of here, 'cause I've been working for this moment all year. I'm taking off on holiday.
Denden, sana maging masaya ka at sana ay lumaki kang may galang sa Panginoon at maging malusog ka, subaybayan ka ng Panginoon sa itaas.
Happy first birthday, Denden. We love you.
Life on vacation. Wild horses couldn't drag me out of here, 'cause I've been working for this moment all year.
Gusto lang namin, yung message namin sa kanya is lumaki siya na maayos, mapalaki namin siya ng maayos. Siyempre may takot sa Diyos, lalong-lalo na sa amin, siyempre. Hindi, joke lang yun. Basta lahat naman ng ni baby namin, ni Scott, suportado naman namin ng mami niya. So, ayun, huwag siya matatakot sa amin ng mami niya na magsabi sa amin. Kasi kami yung parents na parang gagabay sa kanya sa lahat ng gagawin niya.
Huwag siyang mape-pressure. So, syempre, alam naman natin na normal dati na nape-pressure natin yung mga anak natin na gawin to, gawin ganyan. Gusto namin, paglaki mo, ganyan ka. So, we will try, of course, na maging open yung family natin, open communication, yung yung magiging way namin para mapalaki siya. Kasi gusto namin na hindi siya nagtatago ng secret. So, ayun, gusto namin na yung bahay namin is yun yung magiging safe place niya, wherein doon niya makikita yung comfort na hinahanap, hindi niya nakikita sa labas.
I'm taking off. Evangelist waiting for me. I'm getting lost to follow that wanderlust.
Wish you all the best!
Tandaan mo, Tita Sexy, hindi Tita Asim. Ako dapat ang favorite mo, Tita! Charis!
Sana mas lalo ka pang pumogi niyan.
Sana maging mabait ka lagi. Amen.
Sana lumaki kang mabait at masunurin sa mami at mama mo.
Kailangan magpakabait ka at stay pogi hanggang paglaki.
Happy first birthday, Daniel Scott. Mommy and Daddy loves you so much.